let's talk about envy. When we are envious of someone, when we're jealous of someone, when we have a person on a pedestal, let's talk about that. Let's talk about what's actually going on in those moments when you're feeling envious of someone else. Might be an interesting thing to be aware of that the reason why you are feeling envious is because that individual is actually mirroring you back to you. What does that mean? Well, there's this amazing process that happens inside of us where we project outside of ourselves our, let's call them disowned parts, onto people and the world around us to mirror those parts back to us. And the reason why we do this is so that we can actually see them. So, what am I saying as I'm saying this? What I'm saying is that what you're actually jealous of, what you are admiring in someone else is actually you. It's you, it's not actually them. It is the parts of you that you haven't yet fully learned to love. It's the parts in you that you haven't fully embraced. You haven't stepped into them fully. You aren't owning and acknowledging that what you see in them is actually inside of you in some way, in some form that is unique and specific to you and for you. So, next time you find yourself feeling envy, or you're looking at someone and you're thinking, oh, I wish I could be like them, or oh, I admire that so much. How about instead of keeping your attention focused on them, how about you ask the question, where is what I'm seeing in them actually in me? Pull the mirror back. Integrate what you see in them as part of yourself so that you don't have to separate out your brilliance and project it onto somebody else. So go own that what you see in others is actually part of your own brilliance and magnificence.